thousands of families could soon be at risk of losing their child care.
And thousands of daycare workers could lose their jobs if a temporary pandemic program isn't renewed. Federal funding that helped many daycares stay open during and after the pandemic, it's at risk of running out. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Carrie Sharp. Now, providers are worried that they may have to lay off workers or even start turning families away. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs tells us more.
What do you have? You got a draft?
We have been in Nashville for 13 years. The first 6 years we did home child care, and the last 7 we've done center base.
Fish, what's a fish say? Glub, 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 glub.
It's always an exciting day at Blessed Babies Learning Academy in Nashville.
It's a deep blue sea.
13 classrooms, a flex room, art studio.
Dashika Bowers is the owner and director. What started out as just a job quickly turned into a passion.
Being able to have the grants, we were able to hire on more staff, and then people were shocked at how much we were paying them. And then on top of that, like giving them bonuses.
Because scoot in, I don't want to keep you from your friends. Ooh.
So making the work environment like great, it has helped us so much.
Bowers says emergency federal funding from the American Rescue Plan of 2021 helped her keep these doors open. But these funds are expected to expire on September 30th.
When I hear that we're not getting those grants and can't give the bonuses and stuff anymore, it scares me because so many daycares are closing, and I don't want to be a part of that number.
Millions of children across the country are at risk of losing child care if federal funding assistance grants run dry at the end of this month. Here in Tennessee, that means 1,199 child care programs could close.
I don't want to have to be where we don't have enough staff, where we have to close classrooms down. And then when we do that, it's a trickle effect. It affects everybody. It affects the parents, it affects staff, and it especially affects the children.
Good job, friends.
The funding cutoff could result in the loss of thousands of programs and more than 3 million child care spots, according to the Century Foundation, a progressive public policy group. Here in Tennessee, almost 90,000 children are expected to lose their care, and more than 3,800 child care workers could be without a job.
I mean, we'll keep our doors open as long as we can, but like if we had that help, that would really help us. And I'll keep my staff as long as I can too. Whatever I have to do to keep them, I'll do that.
In Nashville, Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.
In Kentucky, this could affect more than 41,000 kids. More than 500 programs are at risk of closing. The Tennessee Department of Human Services tells us they will continue to explore ways to distribute regular child care development funds to providers across the state.